Now, the league we have discussed. So, method of deciding the winners in league tournament. So, there is the point system. If the team is winning one match, so it's allotted with 2 points, and the loser of the match gets 0 point. If there is draw between two teams, so then 1 point is given to each team. So this is point system is there in case of league tournament. There are the number of matches is higher in league tournament. So then so many matches one team is playing. So winning means 2 point team will gain, losing means 0 point, and draw means 1 point each team. So team having the maximum point is declared winner. If there is a tie between two teams, so their match is held again. So we can see the method of deciding the winner in league tournament. The formula is there. British method. This is very common. British method is which is used to decide the winner. So divide the total point obtained by the total possible points. So percentage of points we can have the total points obtained by the team, and total possible points means if the team is winning 5 matches out of 7 matches, so then team has obtained 10 points, and total possible points are 7 matches, so maximum points 7 to the 14 points, so then into 10. So this way we can find out the percentage, and the maximum percent the team will be the winner. The team is getting maximum percent of the point will be declared as a winner. One another formula is their American method. This is no more in use now. So divide the number of games won by the total number of games played and percentage in the same way. So this is not in use. So mainly the British method is used to find the winner. Now we come to the intramural and extramural activities. Meaning of intramural. Meaning of intramural, the activities which are performed within the campus of an institution are called intramurals. What is the activities which are formed within the campus of an institution are called intramural. Students of other schools cannot participate in these activities, and the motto of the intramural is a game for all and each for a game. Significance of the intramural tournament. Number one, important for physical, mental, and emotional and social development of the students. Stress is laid on moral and ethical values necessary for the development of health of the children, manage aggressions, provides recreation, provide opportunity to students to participate in games and sports, help to develop leadership qualities among the students. Objectives of the intramural tournament. First one is to provide opportunity to every student to participate in games and sports. Second objective is to develop the leadership qualities. Third is to develop the feeling of cooperation. Fourth is to provide recreation. Fifth is to develop the feeling of sportsmanship. Sixth is to provide the opportunity to learn a variety of games and skills. To find out the talented sports persons. to provide the experience of organization of competitions. So these are the objectives of the intramural activities. Activities of intramural competitions. What type of activities are there? So which are played inside of the institution. So major games are there like volleyball, hockey, tennis, badminton, football, etc. Minor games may be there like kho, tag game like tag of war, roller skating, sack race, etc. Creative activities are there like painting, drawing, sculpturing, making models, etc. Combating activities like boxing, judo, taekwondo, karate, etc. So these type of all the activities which are played inside the wall of the institution are known as intramural activities. Now, meaning of extramural activities. The activities which are performed outside the wall of an institution or school are called extramural, which we play outside of our school, which we play outside of our institution. Students of two or more schools participate in these activities, also called the inter-school competitions. So extramural is which is played outside of the institution. Significance of the extramural tournaments are the provide opportunity to schools to show their sports capabilities, for enhancing the standard of sports performance, provide appropriate knowledge of sports techniques, improve the opportunities to participate in sports, for making and implementing the programs of physical education more effectively. What are the objectives of the extramural competitions? Sorry, objectives of the extramural competitions. So, what are the objectives? To improve the standard of the sports, to provide experience to students, to develop sportsmanship and fraternity, to broaden the base of sports, to provide the knowledge of new rules and advanced techniques. So, by participating these extramural competitions, we get experience, we improve our skills. So, we know by participating in the competitions, we know more about the activities. Now, specific sports program. A specific sports program. What is the specific sports program? These are the sports programs which are organized for social awareness on any social cause for society or for the people. We can see that specific sports program, sports and games program are arranged in the world as well as in our country to promote the game and sports for a specific cause. Every country in the world has some or other cause for promoting specific sports program. The program motivate and create the feeling to take part in these sports program. People become health conscious and try to remain fit and stay healthy for as long as possible. These specific sports programs are usually organized by the federations, state government, NGOs, etc. To create health consciousness among the people and take part in health related sports program, more and more people of all age groups should take part in such sports program. Specific sports program are such programs of sports which are not usually related to competitions. These programs have various objectives such as creating awareness among people regarding unity, health, and diseases. So specific sports program are there. Specific sports program like sports day, health run, run for fun, run for specific cause, run for unity. These are these the some type of the specific sports program. You can see here this is the run for health, this is the run for fun. So, sports day. Various sports activities are organized in school for parents and children by the school children. So various schools organize National Sports Day, Annual Sports Day. So in which the various sports activities are performed by the children for the parents and for the children of the school. Health run. These are organized by the health department to ameliorate the standard of health in country along with raising fund for charity. Run for fun. It is also organized to spread the message among the masses to remain healthy and fit. It may be organized to motivate the people to remain fit. And it tells the importance of the fun in life. Run for Unity. It is organized to show unity and peace among the people of different religions. Its purpose may be national or international integration and brotherhood. Run for a specific cause. This is the run related to the specific or noble cause. Most of the social non-profit organizations organizes these run for creating awareness about AIDS, educating the girl child, cancer, etc. So which are the major social cause or any diseases or anything. Mumbai and Chennai marathons are organized for such noble purpose. Now various committees and their responsibilities.